In this video, you'll learn how to design a database schema using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will create a simple PostgreSQL database schema for a blog application. This guide will walk you through each action clearly and methodically. Begin by opening Windows Terminal on your computer. You can do this by searching for Windows Terminal in the Start menu. Once it is open, ensure you are in the PowerShell environment. If you are not already in PowerShell, you can switch to it by selecting the PowerShell tab from the drop-down menu at the top of the terminal window. Next, navigate to your project directory. To do this, type namadir blogd and press enter. This command creates a new directory named blogdb. After that, change into the newly created directory by typing cd blogdb and pressing enter. You should see the command prompt change to indicate that you are now within the blogdb directory. Now, it is time to start Claude Code. Type Claude and press enter. This should launch Claude Code in your terminal. Once Claude Code is running, you will be ready to give it a prompt. For the prompt, paste the following text. Create a simple PostgreSQL database schema for a blog app. Follow this with the specified tables and requirements. Ensure that all details are included, such as the tables for users' posts and comments, as well as the requirements for UUID primary keys, foreign keys, created underscore at timestamps, and a simple production-ready design. After pasting the prompt, press enter to submit it. Claude will generate the SQL code based on your input. After Claude Code has generated the SQL, you will need to exit Claude, type exit, and press enter. This will close Claude Code and return you to the PowerShell interface. Next, create the SQL file by entering new item schema.seql quote and pressing enter. This command creates a new file named quote schema.schema.schema.schema.schema.schema quote and press enter. This will launch Notepad with the new file. In Notepad, paste the SQL code that Claude generated for your blog database schema. After pasting the code, save the file by clicking File in the menu and selecting Save, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. Once the file is saved, you can close Notepad. Now, you will run the SQL file in PostgreSQL. Make sure you have PostgreSQL installed and running. In your PowerShell terminal, type cwal-u postgres d blogdb schema.sql quote and press enter. This command connects to the PostgreSQL database named blogdb AgSQL. If the process completes without errors, your schema has been successfully created. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.